children, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do English language workbook. Page number 75, Conjunctions, chapter 11. It's written here A. Rewrite the following sentences using the glue word and. The first one, Tina woke up late. Next sentence, she missed the bus. So we are going to use and between these two sentences. Now, if you see here, first one is Tina woke up late. Tina is a girl, and here if you see, she missed the bus. So if you see, both are same person. So we are going to write here like this way. Tina woke up late and now we are not going to write she, okay? Missed the bus because Tina and she both are same, no? So we have written Tina here, and the second time we have skipped she. Next one, the teacher was happy. Second sentence, she gave him a star. So if you see here, the teacher is she only, okay? She is she. So we are going to write here, the teacher was happy and we are going to cut off she and write here, gave him a star. Full stop. Next one. It was a hot day. We kept drinking water. So it is separate and we also separate. So here we'll write it like this way. It was a hot day and here we'll write the full sentence, okay? We kept drinking what I am writing here, water, full stop. Next one, the children were tired, they needed rest. So here again you will see the children means they. So here we are going to write the children were tired and they will be cut off, needed rest, full stop. Next one, the people cheered, they waved at the players. So again here the people means they. So we'll write here, the people cheered and they will be cut off, waved at the players, full stop. Page number 76. It's written here B. Join the sentences by using the glue word but. So remember, but is used to join two sentences which have opposite ideas. Okay? So let's start. Hari ran very fast. He did not win the race. So here we'll write down. Hari ran very fast, but same thing we'll copy it down. He did not win the race. Full stop. Next one. The bus arrived on time. We were not ready. So So here the bus arrived on time, but we were not ready. Full stop. Next one, I studied very well. I did not do well in the exam. So here we'll write I studied very well, but I did not do well in the exam. Full stop. Next one, Ritam is weak in studies. He is very good in sports. So here we'll write Ritam is weak in studies, but he is very good in, I'm writing here, sports. Full stop. Last one, Sheila wanted to help Gaurav. She was too tired. So it will be Sheila wanted to help Gaurav, but she was too tired. Full stop. Page number 77. It's written here, C. Rewrite the sentences using the glue word or. So when we use or, when we have a choice. So here first one, my father will come to pick me up. My mother will come to pick me up. So here we'll write first, my father or my mother will come to pick me up. Full stop. Next one, his uncle may buy a car. His uncle may buy a scooter. So here we'll write his uncle may buy a car or a scooter. Full stop. Next one, Hari may choose an apple. Hari may choose an orange. So here we'll write Hari may choose an apple or an orange. Full stop. Next one, she has to use a raincoat. She has to use an umbrella. So here she has to use a raincoat or an umbrella. Full stop. Next one, they plan to go to a park. They plan to go to a museum. So here we'll write they plan to go to a park or a museum. Full stop. Page number 78. It's written here D. Join these sentences using and, but, or, and rewrite them. So here it's written, first one, it was very cloudy yesterday. It is very sunny today. So here we are going to use here but. So first we'll write down, it was very cloudy yesterday, but it is very sunny today. Full stop. Next one, I went to the market, I bought vegetables. So here we are going to use and. I went to the market and bought vegetables. If you see here, two I's are here. So I have written this one I here with in the first sentence, and second time I have removed it. Next one, we must go to school on time. We must be ready to get punished. So here we are going to use or. We must go to school on time or must be ready to get punished. Full stop. Next one, Rita tried to catch the thief. Rita could not catch the thief. So here we are going to use but. Rita tried to catch the thief, but Rita could not catch the thief. Full stop. Next one, Varun was thirsty. There was no water. So here again we are going to use but. Varun was thirsty, but there was no water. Full stop. Page number 79. It's written here E. Look at this conversation between two food items. Fill in the blanks with and or but. Color Mr. Pizza with your favorite toppings and Miss Salad with healthy vegetables. So here you have to color Mr. Pizza with different toppings, and here different vegetables you have to put here and color it. Okay. So we start here. Hi Miss Salad. Hi Mr. Pizza. I'm going to be the special dish dash you are not. So here we'll write down but. Now the pizza is saying, I'm baked in an oven and full of yummy toppings. Now the salad. I'm yummy and light, but you are heavy and fattening. Now next page, page number 80. Children love me, but hate you. Now the salad is saying, that is because they don't know that I am full of vitamins and minerals. Now the pizza is saying, I am very famous and tasty, but you are not. Now Miss Salad is saying, I don't care. Once children understand that I am healthy, they will love and eat me. So I hope children you have understood how to do these pages. If not, you can watch my video once again. Till then, bye and take care.